I'm going to show you how to organize a men's closet. We kind of did some makeover. Guys, karibuni, welcome once again to this amazing YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly please subscribe, because the kind of videos I bring to you are just as amazing as yourself. Today I've just been having questions here and there, and lately, by the way, I've been having a number of men clients calling me to organize their houses, and bachelors, and some of them even aspiring, almost there, like engaged and want to get married. And I think we needed this video for some of you. And please, if you know one of them, your brother, your cousin, your colleague, your what, kindly share, because it's going to be amazing. Even for students, they are going to learn from all this. So I'm going to do men organization closet. I'm going to show you how to organize a men's closet. I know you're going to love this, even for wives, so that you know how to handle your hubby's clothes. And even brothers, sisters, you can help with this and show them how to go about it. I know most of those mornings are not relaxing at all. When they come, I'm sure you're woken up early in the morning to find a pair of socks. Woken up, just to be able to tell them where their pair of boxers is. So guys, Leo ni Leo, it's the end of this. So welcome to this amazing video, and this is what I'm going to be showing you. So this is my hubby's closet. I can even give you dimensions. It's about 1 meter. 1 meter, that's about 100 centimeters. Yeah, and that is what we've done with this space. And it's taking in so much. Actually, everything of his clothes. So on this side, this is how it is. Yeah, we have his shirts. So we keep his shirts ironed. So whenever he just wants to wear, he just picks on what he needs to wear. So the shirts are ironed and then put here. So to avoid creasing, you just have to avoid so many of them in one place. And then we've done long sleeves and short sleeve. So it's easy for him to find what he wants to wear. And if it's not here, then it's nowhere, because laundry is done every day and clothes are brought in every day. And then bottom it, I found a small space where I've put small things for him. Yeah. And then you can put what you want, maybe depending on the space that you have. For us, this is just things that we don't use them, we don't need them, and they're not interfering with the shirts. It's just a good height. And then on this one, I'm going to be showing you how this closet was, because we kind of did some makeover. There was the upper part and the lower part. The lower part had another rod where we could hang clothes. But then I removed the rod, and then I added this shelf just to take small things that belongs to him, so that at least if he has his gadgets or whatever things he needs to keep just away from kids, he can keep them there. Cables and chargers, I've put them in this container, this basket, because they can also be annoying. So the cables are here, and back there we have another basket that is also taking things that he does not use all the time. So at least you keep, even if you were to keep this basket like this, you know, you keep the place looking organized at all times. And then down here, now I brought in this rack. So this rack is to take his trousers. And this is how it is. It takes in the trousers that I feel can crease. They've been ironed, like official trousers and khaki trousers. So they are here. we can also, if you don't have space to hang, you can also fold. But if you have space to hang, you can use a rod and put a trouser. Maybe I can illustrate that. So if you do not have this kind of an organizer, you can just have a rod, just a simple rod like this one holding the shirts, and you take your trouser after ironing and just put it in a hanger like that. Yeah, almost halfway. And the beauty about the plastic hangers, they have a bigger, unlike wire hangers, they have a bigger surface area over here, so they don't put a fold on the trouser at the middle. So it looks like that, and you can just hang your trousers. You can just put them the way you like it, facing like this or like that, but always you can do it like that or like this. I know most of us do it like this, but when you do like this, your person does not see what kind of trouser they have. Yeah, so you just put it on the rod like that. Okay. If you have a shorter, however, if you have a short hanging area, you can fold again. Okay. Okay. Others can fold. If you don't have a hanging area, you can fold, and I'm going to be showing you how to fold into your spaces, either shelves or drawers. So this is it about this area. As you can see, it transformed from what it was to this. Then here we have a mirror where I can use when dressing. On this other side, we have his coats. I've put them in bags because they're not worn often, just once in a while. So I felt it wise, I just put them in the bags, so that at least I protect them from dust. And again, they're not being accessed every other time. And then his jackets, yeah, his jackets. And below here, I have his hoods and sweaters. And how this closet was, also it changed a bit, because there was a shelf here and it only had 2 drawers at the bottom. So we cut this door and made it into that size, and then added the pieces we cut here to these faces of drawers, and hence we had 4 drawers. Why 4 drawers? Because the first drawer takes in his innerwears. Yeah, it looks like that. So he takes in his innerwears, and that is the vests, the boxer shorts, and then the socks. Socks are not, they usually fill here. We've decluttered some, and others he has them. And over here we have another type of shorts. Yeah, so it has even room for more. I can add another like 4 vests here. Yeah, so these are the inner wears. Anything innerwear goes into this drawer, and very easy to access, even if it's in the morning. Nakuja tu and just picks a pair. I believe they can dress comfortably without having to wake you up if you are tired. Then the second drawer has his t-shirts. So here I've put the t-shirts, just normal t-shirts. Then here I've put the polos. Yeah. And on the third drawer, it has his trousers and shorts. Yeah. This is how you can fold into drawers. And bottom there we have his documents, or anything small that just needs his attention and we don't want to put it elsewhere. So if you have to fold into a shelf, this is how you do it. Just normal folding, front to front. And if you need a detailed video on folding, please keep it right here, because we are going to be having it. And then you fold and get a shelf to place it. Okay, this thing is so annoying. So if you don't have so much space, it's always good to do like that. Okay, so you can pile them up together, and they'll still look beautiful. So guys, I don't know what I've not talked about a man's closet. Remember, hangers should always face away from you, and clothes should always be in a uniform manner. Yeah. So this is the closet. I hope you are inspired, and if you have those questions, probably maybe something I've not handled or tackled, kindly please comment down below. Let me know what challenges you're going through, what challenges you're facing in organizing your men's closets, and probably maybe they have other items that maybe are difficult or hard to organize or put in your closet. Let me know. I can come up with something for you. Otherwise, I think that is it. Yes, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because you're missing a lot. You need notifications, and for that to happen, please just hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that it can notify you every time we upload a new video. And these are our kind of videos. Until next time, see you.